Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode on the YouTube world of Blacksmith. Say hello to the new skin. I personally like it. It's very nice. What is that noise? And I swear this is going to be the last skin change, but I only changed it as this is a lot more blacksmithy. You can tell the story behind it. Blacksmith made some armor that's made out of fire, then put it on just like creepers and zombies, and basically any creature. Anyway, in this episode we're going to be building a farm for chickens, cows, and that, and it looks like it's raining. And is it thunderstorming? Because it's thunderstorm. No. Okay. Oh, hello. If it's raining and there's mobs outside, I'm not exactly. It's that. Oh no. What's the door? What is this? Alright. We'll definitely have to check that one out later. But until then, I will wait for night to come, sleep, get rid of this rain. So, yeah. See you then. Okay, so the weather has just cleared. So we are going to check out that. I don't even know what to... Why is this even here? Looks like a military base. What? I don't understand this. I think we're gonna have to come back here in another episode and figure out what's going on, but... What was it? Ooh, an iron trade on. What do you have for me, wandering trade on? Nothing of interest. Okay. And I can see my face, and no, it's not. It's right underneath my mine as well. What? Really? Wandering trader, I'm just gonna walk away, because I'm afraid you're a spy for this military thing that has just popped up. Anyway, in this episode, we will be building the farm. Let's go. Let's say. Oh, that's right, I died. Let's say here. Yeah, we'll build the farm here. So we gotta collect the tools. Hey guys, sorry about the dramatic cutoff. For some reason it didn't record the last few seconds, which I'm totally fine with. So in this clip, I only built the chicken farm, not the entirety of the farm. So yeah, but other than that, it's completely fine. I do jump cut, at a bit, and it's basically I jump cut because the redstone had been completed. I just had to do the building around it, so I jump cutted that. So all of that happened. Yeah. So yeah, let's get back to the video. And we are back with a new. Well, we're not back, but you know what I mean. Anyway, I'm just gonna put all of this up here. Anyway, so I have done some designing, you know. So you got the logs here and everything. It's all designed and that. Now we're gonna turn on the machine. So basically, we have a lot of eggs in here, and we're just going to basically flick the lever until we're out of eggs. Let's go. So I'll see you when we've done this. Okay guys, we are on our last egg. So, oh my god, it's almost night. But you can see all the chickens. So we're gonna sleep and yeah, wait for the chickens to grow up. So they're all baby chickens. But that means that that's my plans. I don't really have any more other plans for the day. Not ready to end the video, it's being too short, so unless something else happens, no. Maybe we check that out. Yeah, maybe we do that. What do you think, Greg? Do we check out the mysterious, maybe very mysterious, hangar again? See if anything's changed over, what, a day? Has it been? A day? Okay guys, so we're back and we're almost ready to have a look at what's happening. Only one thing we need to do. Okay, tinfoil hat on. Let's do this. Oh my god. Wait. What? What the? Who is this? This makes no sense. Hello. I come in peace, and, who are you? What are you doing in my world? And, why do you have a military base in front of my mine, in my house? Why are you here? What? You, you there? Hello? Hello? Okay, you gonna say anything? Yes, I will, thank you very much. And what do you mean this is your world? It's owned by Minecraft. And Minecraft, because Minecraft owned this world, and I worked for Minecraft, I own this world. But that makes no sense. I mean, this is my world. I built it. Why are you in a suit? Why do you look like the Men in Black? Come on, you gotta give me some answers. Answers will come in time. But the logistics of everything is that I'm basically here to stop any glitches from happening in your world. So you should be thanking me. This is the only world I've seen you in, so you're lying. What are you really here for? Tell me! I'm afraid that's classified information. Maybe you find out for yourself. Maybe you won't. Anyway, it's time for me to go. What? No, we got so much to talk about. Like the andesite wall. Why is it andesite? If you want it to be unbreakable and unintrudable, especially seeing you're going to collect artifacts from this world, why is it andesite? Huh? Andesite is one of the most powerful and unbreakable items in this world. and you can try and break it with an axe. I dare you to. Okay, but I'm gonna so prove you wrong though. Wait, I just left the game. Didn't show up because I have my thing, but he left the game. Oh, that sneaky bastard. We'll find out what this place is doing. And oh my god, I'm on one hunger. Please tell me that some roast chicken has been cooked. Please tell me. Are you still babies? Oh my god, this is gonna take a while. Alright guys, so I'll see you when the good old chickens have, grown up and start laying eggs. Yeah. See you then. Okay, so we are back, and this is the chickens. So we currently have 2 chickens ready to burn. So, oh, another one just got in. Cool. So when they all grow up and another one comes through, it will burn the thing. Anyway, so yeah, so there's the 2 chickens. Anyway, next episode we will be continuing the mine that we started the last episode. Then the episode after that we'll put the roof on. But other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy this episode. And don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the notification bell. And what the? Why is it coming in so fast now? This is insane. What the? Anyway, hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll see you guys next week with a new Line the Science Show.